Apply tools and techniques to manage projects. Managing project risks. Managing project risks involves systematically identifying, analyzing, prioritizing, and responding to potential events that could affect project objectives relating to time, cost, quality, or scope. The process begins with risk identification, where the project team, stakeholders, and subject matter experts work together to list possible threats and opportunities. Tools such as brainstorming, lessons learned reviews, SWOT analysis, and risk checklists can help uncover risks at both technical and operational levels. Once risks are identified, they are documented in a risk register which outlines descriptions, causes, impacts, likelihood ratings, and assigned owners. Risk analysis follows, involving an assessment of the significance of each risk based on probability and potential consequences. This may be quantitative or qualitative, depending on the complexity of the project. Prioritization ensures that management attention and resources are focused on the most critical risks. Effective risk management is proactive rather than reactive. It focuses on anticipating possible disruptions and preparing suitable responses before problems escalate. Once risks have been prioritized, appropriate risk response strategies are developed. Risks can be handled using four main approaches: avoidance, mitigation, transfer, or acceptance. Avoidance involves altering plans to remove the risk entirely, such as changing project scope or choosing different technology. Mitigation focuses on reducing either the likelihood or the impact of the risk through preventive controls, additional testing, or strengthened communication processes. Transfer shifts responsibility for managing the risk to another party. Common examples include outsourcing specialist tasks or using insurance. Acceptance acknowledges that some risks are unavoidable. In such cases, contingency plans are developed so the team knows how to respond if the risk occurs. For each high-priority risk, a risk owner is assigned to monitor indicators and initiate response actions when required. Communication and documentation are critical so that risks remain visible and stakeholders understand how decisions are being made. This structured approach strengthens consistency, accountability, and preparedness. Managing project risks is an ongoing and dynamic process that continues throughout the entire project lifecycle. As work progresses, new risks may emerge while previously identified risks may change in significance. Regular risk reviews, status meetings, and performance reporting ensure risk information remains current. Early warning indicators, such as schedule delays or cost deviations, help the team identify when planned responses need to be activated. Technology tools such as risk dashboards and probability impact matrices enhance visibility and support data-driven decision-making. A strong risk culture encourages open communication, where team members feel safe to raise concerns without fear of blame. At project closure, lessons learned regarding risk management effectiveness should be documented to improve practices in future projects. Effective risk management helps minimize disruptions, maintain stakeholder confidence, and improve the likelihood that the project will meet its objectives. Ultimately, managing project risks strengthens control, resilience, and decision quality, enabling projects to adapt constructively in the face of uncertainty.